Are you tired of trying to charge all your devices with one USB plug? Does it frustrate you that every time you need a new camera battery, it's all the way over there? Is it tiresome using that old, completely non-screen accurate, non-working Smugglers Room Aliens motion tracker with a fake screen that only leaves you disappointed when a facehugger catches you? Then boy do we have the project for you! What's up, you awesome geeks? I'm Brian with the Smugglers Room, and you may know me from such ridiculously geeked out projects as the Moisture Evaporator Margarita Machine, the completely non-screen accurate droid collar build, and the impractical ultimate sci-fi toolbox. We are here yet again today to bring you another ridiculous project, and it will bring you some cumbersome charging convenience, as well as not protect you from an oncoming xenomorph attack. We give you the SR Track LV426 1000. That's coming up. Our team of one engineer, who's not really an engineer, started with not the latest technology, but old, non-working electronics that have virtually nothing in common with the products of today or tomorrow. Through sheer will and geeked-out determination, our wannabe engineer cannibalized the Bell & Howard projector, taking from it the only item of real value, the Greeblies. Wonderful parts and pieces that can be used in other preposterous projects in the future. Versatile USB charging abilities are the driving force behind our not-so-improved motion tracker charging device. The biggest key to integration of the USB charging is simply where can we force this bricko power to be mounted within our track unit. It is only through absolute determination, as well as cutting and filing tools, that we are able to modify our projector base and bring you charging superiority. With the future of charging and face-hugging prevention in our hands, it is absolutely necessary that we provide the latest in surge protection power, sparing no expense, as long as that expense does not exceed the $2.99 budget set out for power and surge. And of course, we break all factory warranty by modifying the high-tech power-providing equipment, therefore passing no protection nor warranty onto you. Not that this newfangled alien prevention and full phone charging providing equipment will be available for purchase, but keep in mind that not only are we not like the Nostromo engineers Parker and Brett, but we are also not electricians and cannot be held responsible if you attempt this modification and shock yourself into oblivion, regardless of what Captain Dallas may say.
Please consult a professional electrician before attempting to handling high voltage or anything else dangerous that the Smugglers Room may or may not attempt. See our non-existent rules and regulation guide for more details.
2. Actually pretend that this device will prevent any loss of life via a xenomorph or facehugger attack. We have selected a rather amazing looking Greebly that by all appearances gives one the feeling that this totally fake and in no way screen accurate device might actually save one from space where no one can hear you scream. Secured to the side of the Bell & Howard projector, this radar-looking device should give one the impression that would it detect micro changes in air density while crawling around in air shafts, trying to flush a perfect organism with no sense of morality into the airlock, therefore out into space. Again, sparing no expense, we at the Smugglers Room were able to secure an ice tray for this unit as a perfect nod to the original tracker from Ridley Scott's Alien. This water containment and transformation device provides no functionality but looks interesting bolted to the side of the unit, lending a very little authenticity to this build. Of course, to provide you with complete and total protection and functionality, we included a not state-of-the-art LCD display and control interface. With amazing technical prowess, we installed used and worn-out knobs and switches, along with a dirty and scratched display. Our overall goal is not to improve on the technology seen in the 1979 film, but rather to limit the user experience by installing a pair of simple blue LEDs that will in the end have limited animation and zero real-world functionality. All of this amazing technology will be wrapped up in an interface that's impossible to see while holding the unit by the handle, which further prevents usability by the user. And when faced by the winding corridors of the Nostromo, this tracking device will provide no advantage while being stalked by a space creature. If we had actually allowed you to purchase this ridiculous product in hopes of mobile alien detection, we might suggest first that you secure the role of the third in command of the Nostromo, confirm your gender as female, or make arrangements to alter your gender, and then change your name to Ripley. Those preparations before departure will give you the best advantage of a safe return. It should be noted that with assembly of the SR Track LV 426,000, extra care was taken to provide unnecessary parts and pieces to give the unit a more in-universe feel. These Greeblifications should give you a more authentic experience when you find yourself running for your life as Mother tells you you have 2 minutes to reach minimum safe distance. Of course, USB charging capabilities could not be the only level of usable technology provided with this non-tracking tracking device. We work to provide the latest in Canon camera charging abilities. We at the Smugglers Room know all too well the importance of keeping your camera charged so that you can capture video proof that Ash is a gosh darn robot sent by the company to secure delivery of the alien for the weapons division. And finally, to add some level of authenticity to this product, we provided an array of stencils that match shapes and graphics, modeled from the original 1979 prop, and then of course placed these wherever we wanted because we can. And now we present to you the not-so-new SR Track LV 426,000. This over-the-top and not convenient-to-use device gives you some charging capabilities, along with a whole bunch of other useless yet awesome-looking accessories. It comes equipped with 10 USB charging ports, one single amazing Canon camera, battery charger, and a fairly short extension cord that is required for providing power. But that's not all. This cumbersome-to-carry non-alien alien tracker charger also has one flashing orange light, one solid orange light, a collection of super awesome film use stickers and graphics, knobs that do absolutely nothing, an iconic ice tray only because the original alien prop had one, an LED screen that is just a couple of blue lights that don't represent anything, and this thing in the front that we have no idea what it is, what it did, or what it does. Our SR Track LV 426,000 will help you charge a ridiculous amount of USB devices, and with the proper length of extension cord, you can attempt to protect yourself against oncoming xenomorphs. All of this can be had for the unpublished price of $29,995,999. Now, don't wait and don't purchase our not-for-sale tracking charging system, and get out there and build your own. And we'll see you next time when we build something out of nothing.
The following product is not affiliated with Weyland-Yutani Corp. Or Ridley Scott and Fox Studios. This device will not protect you from alien lifeforms or any other type of oncoming threat. USB charging and the charging of a Canon 80D battery are the only functional aspects of this build. All similarities or likeness of this tracking charger and other tracking chargers are coincidental. No xenomorph or plushy facehuggers were harmed during the filming of this advertisement.
Hello, my darling. Hello, my...